find the value of 3.5 plus 2 and a sixth. Those are in brackets, and then plus another bracket 2 and 3/4 minus 1 and 3/4. So you're going to look at the most basic way of solving this, and that's going to be we are going to use the LCM method. There are different ways, but you can always pick the one that works out best for you. So for this case, we're going to take this basic one. So we're going to write here, we have 2, 3.5 plus 2 and a 6, those are in brackets, plus 2 and 3/4 minus 1 and 3/4. Like that. So the first step, we're going to change this 3.5 is a mixed fraction, so we're going to change them into improper fraction. And how do we change that? We take this whole number, we multiply by the denominator, and then we add it to the numerator here. So 3 times 2, that's 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have 7 out of 2 plus 2 times 6, that's 12. 12 plus 1, that's 13 out of 6. Then that one in brackets. Then we have plus 2 times 4, that's 8. 8 plus 3, that's 11 out of 4, minus 1 times 4, that's 4 plus 3, that's 7 out of 4. The first step there is done. So the next step, now we add these ones, and we're going to get the LCM of the denominator. So the LCM of 2 and 6, which are the denominator, is definitely a 6. So if you don't get how we can get LCM, maybe you can do another, you can just comment there, so you can go through the way of getting LCM. So you write this 6, which is your LCM, as the denominator, and then you check now this 2 goes into 6 how many times? That's 3 times. And then you take that 3, you multiply by this numerator, and so you're going to have now 2 into 6, that's 3. 3 times 7, that gives you 21, plus 6 into 6, that's 1 times 13, that's 13. That's their bracket there, and then you have plus. So for this other one, the denominators are the same, so we're just going to subtract the numerators there. If the denominators are the same, you subtract the numerator. So we have 11 minus 7, that gives you 4, minus then you have the denominator, which is 4 there. So let's proceed still. 21 plus 13, that gives us 34 over 6, plus 4 over 4, that's 1, gives you a whole number there. This 34 out of 6, let's change it into a mixed fraction. Let's change it into a mixed fraction. So we're going to divide 34 divided by 6. 6 into 34, 5 times. 5 times 6, that gives you 30. You subtract, you have 4. So our mixed fraction there is going to be 5 whole number, remainder 4 out of 6, and then we simplify it to there twice, to there thrice. So we have 5 and 2 out of 3. So this one is 5 and 2/3 plus 1. So this 1 is a whole number, and this 5 is a whole number. So you have 5 plus 1, and then you have 2/3. So it is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 2/3. And when you come to our question here, 6 and 2/3 is here in choice A, and that's where we have our answer. So this one is another question which is highly likely to come in your Kcpe. So you can check it out. We'll be doing more videos of questions which are prediction questions which are highly likely to appear in your Kcpe paper. So keep in touch, and if you like to get more notifications on these videos, you can subscribe, you can like, and you can even comment something down there. If you have a question, you can post down there.